Welcome back to the Hubbard's Handmade Shop. I am Ryan Hubbard.
And I am Alexa.
The word of the day is automation. I want to show you some of the things that I've done with my garage to make it better to be out here, getting things done, and better for my filming. For example, Alexa, film lights on.
Okay.
Huh? Alexa, fan on.
Okay.
Alexa, fan off.
You are the best maker ever.
The key to this working, of course, is that all of these tools have their own smart switch. I'll leave a link in the description to the ones that I use. They're by Wemo, and I think that they work just great. And look down in the link below to get your own Amazon Echo. For some tools it's complicated, for other tools it's not so complicated. Like in this case, you just leave the button on the bandsaw on all the time. Alexa, bandsaw on.
Don't do anything stupid.
Isn't that awesome? What could possibly go wrong? Alexa, table saw on.
Okay. Try not to cut off your finger again.
Alexa, jointer on.
Are you sure about that?
I'm not arguing with you again, just do it.
I'll call the emergency room and tell them to expect you again.
Alexa, planer on.
Try not to hurt yourself, idiot.
I haven't figured everything out yet. For example, this miter saw has 2 safety switches that you're supposed to press. Don't worry though, I'm gonna figure out how to get Alexa to do it. Then I'll just be able to do this with one finger.
This guy does a lot of dumb things. You should not be doing this.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and leave a comment down below. What ideas do you have for home automation or automation in your shop? I'm Ryan Hubbard saying, see you later, and this is obviously a joke. Okay, you get that, right? Please don't do anything stupid like I did in this video. Alexa, tell my wife to make me a sandwich.
I'll call 911.
I'd feel really bad.
Happy April Fool's Day. Please don't get hurt doing anything this idiot says. I am Alexa and this guy does a lot of dumb things. What else would you like me to repeat?